Earlier in this reports subseries, we showed you how to create a CSV file from a report. In this tutorial, we will briefly cover how you might utilize these CSV files for advanced report functions. Keep in mind that throughout this tutorial, I will be using the Microsoft Office package, which you may not have in your office. To learn how to utilize such features, you will have to lean on the help and support options for the Office software you are using. Now let's get started with one basic reporting scenario, calculating percentages. For this example, we have run a summary by coverage class report for an annual period and saved it to CSV. In good practice, I have resaved the CSV to an Excel workbook and now have the workbook open and ready to edit. First, I will resize my columns by clicking the Select All button and double-clicking a line between two of the columns. This resizes all columns to fit. Next, I format my premium to a comma style, which is simply my preference. Now I need a total to calculate my percentage from, so we'll click under my premium column and auto sum the values. This is my total premium. Now I will create a percent of premium column, select the new field on the first row, and calculate my percentage by typing the formula. I type the equal sign, click the field to the left, enter a / for division sign, then click the total of my premium column. Then press enter to save my formula. I return to my formula field and choose the percentage format. Next, I need to copy this formula, but first I have to lock in my premium total field by placing a $sign between the column letter and the row number. Now I grab the bottom right box of that field and I drag it down to the last coverage class row to calculate the rest of the percentages. If I want this in order by premium, I highlight my area, tab to the premium column, click the down arrow next to my sort and filter options and choose largest to smallest. The next quick example is how to use Word's mail merge feature to generate labels. I have generated a list of clients with their premium summarized that includes the client's address information. I opened the spreadsheet, formatted my premium column, and put in descending order by premium, bringing the highest premium clients to the top. Close and save this file. I will now create a new Word document and from Mailings, select Start Mail Merge and choose Labels. Select the appropriate label from the Label Options box and click OK. Click to select recipients, then use an existing list. Browse to and select your CSV or Excel file. If you wish to edit the recipients, you can click on Edit Recipient List and customize the clients to merge. Set up the first label as desired by either using the address block feature or inserting, spacing, and formatting the merge fields using the Insert Merge Field option. Once you set it up properly, preview the results and scroll through a few to make sure you like the way it looks. If so, click Update Labels to update the rest of the labels on the page. Click Finish and Merge, then edit individual documents to get a file of your results. Here you can review and modify the resulting data before printing to your labels. There is only one stop left under our reports tutorial for those of you who do accounting in Agency Pro. See the Accounting Workflow series to view the tutorial on month-end reports.